Got the man with the plan right here. Bringing swag with the man right here. Living up on sipping on beer. Yeah, clap for me man right here. Got the man with the plan right here. Bringing swag with the man right here. Living up on sipping on beer. Yeah, clap for me man right here. Hey, no matter what they say,
Master the Blaster.
hey, no matter what they do,
Mr. Master the Blaster.
rhythm. Hey, no matter what they say,
Master the Blaster.
yeah, master the blaster. Hey, no matter what they do,
Mr. Master the
get the
Blaster.
man with the plan right here. Bringing swag with the man right here. Living up on sipping on beer. Yeah, clap for me man right here. Got the man with the plan
This
right
is a historical day for the department. Today we are organizing the feedback and farewell celebration for our outgoing students of our Department of Psychiatric Social Work, the MPhil PSW Part 2 trainees. They are completing their formal training in the department today. It's really a proud moment for the department. I welcome all the second years. I'm extremely proud and greatly honored to be here along with all my entire team. This is really a proud moment. I'm extremely grateful to the entire team, very especially to the outgoing trainees of our department. In this occasion, I have the honor to convey my sincere thanks to our beloved director, Professor Pratima Murthy, our director of NIMHANS, Dr. B.S. Shankar Narayan Rao, registrar of NIMHANS. I am extremely grateful to all our former directors, Senior Professor Dr. Sekhar K. Seshadri, Dean Behavioral Sciences, Senior Professor Dr. Sanjeev Jain, our Dean of Behavioral Sciences, Senior Professor Dr. Matthew Verghese, Associate Dean of Behavioral Sciences, Professor B. Indra Devi, Dean and Controller of Examinations. In fact, Madam is very keen on declaring your results, and Madam is working day and night. I am sure you all will get your results as soon as possible. As a post-MPhil PSW trainees, and later maybe as a PhD scholar or as a PSWs, and in the long run you all should become a members of the faculty and take care of this department. So you all, the future of the discipline of psychiatric social work is in your hands. I strongly believe that you all will do it.
Come on,
The first 8 numbers.
Here we go.
1 to 8. Guys, give a big
Do you
round of
wanna know?
applause.
Fasten your seatbelts, let's take off now.
supernova இது என்ன வானவில் தீவா வோல்டேஜ் பூவா இதை கெட்டி நின்று பார்த்திட நீவா ஏய் ராஜா பூ ஆஜா வா ராஜா பாரி பாபா நியூ ஏஜா நாலேஜா ராஜாலி போலி பாபா
Hey, let me tell you something. Wanna know?
ஏய் ராஜா பூ ஆஜா வா ராஜா பாரி பாபா நியூ ஏஜா நாலேஜா ராஜாலி போலி பாபா.
Okay, my question is, how do you feel after becoming a psychiatric social worker? I feel very happy right now, and I feel proud as well to become a psychiatric social worker. And I feel very thankful to all of them, all of my friends, faculties, and others who helped me to achieve this. And Presently, I feel very happy. Other than that, I don't feel anything like sharing. And I feel proud. Thank you. That's all.
So my question is most difficult job or work at the department. For me, it was family tracing. So like while trying to contact the families, I used to take a Kannada speaking person and we will start speaking in Kannada. They will answer in Hindi. So those kind of difficulties I faced. So for me, the most difficult job was family tracing. My topic is best day at Nimans. For me, a lot of best day. In the main thing, I would like to remember when I working in a unit 4, the first month I got one patient that too in the mother baby unit. But after intensive intervention with the mother and baby and after with the caregivers, final day when they came for follow up, they was recognized me and they was very happy with that intervention and they was very glad to us and for PSW teams and social workers. That was the very most memorable moment for me because how intensively we work with our caregivers that will be reflect for us.
The question they asked for me is that mention something meaningful that you have learned from research experience. Our work, ma'am, actually. Like, yeah. So,
The Viva is over, man, actually.
so it's like a Viva question, actually. So, the thing is that we have been discussing about the topic, the area which we have to research. So, I came up with this concept cyberchondriasis to her, and she was asking me this same question: what is the meaning? What you will get from this topic? So the Viva, actually the examiner also asked the same, like what is this? So everyone is curious. So it's relevant to me. Like most of us are not aware about this new concept. So of course, yeah, that itself is the thing that nobody know the meaning. So I am exploring that meaning.
Generic act or show or express any funny situation you like. Okay. So, I mean, I would tell in the context of NIMHANS, I mean, funny situation. I mean, it could be a serious situation, but it turned out to be funny. One day in OPD, it was a very hectic OPD, follow-up OPD. I was just doing the cases, files were just piling up. And proxy mother had come, the patient had not come, and I was just asking the questions, the normal follow-up which we do. Everything was done, and then came this biopsychosocial functioning, sleep, appetite, everything, and menstruation history. Is the periods regular? And then I saw the mother telling my patient is a boy, ma'am. And I was like, oh my god, what was I doing? And then I gotta calm down, I should not take over the stress, and that was a little serious and funny situation.
Okay, so this is not just a performance. I hope all of you know the song. Most of you know the song. We just want you all to join us. We don't expect you to show the emotions or anything, but if you want, you can. And yeah, let's just sing this song together. Almost heaven, West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is so big, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, flowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. Our professors, our best named hands, MVJ building, OPD canteen. There's a subway, museum and things. Got no time to see these, but the IMO office, oh so roads, take me home to the place
மனம் யாவும் மேகம் அந்த மேகம் யாவும் தாகம் அந்த தாகம்.
The question is a piece of advice to your juniors. So my advice is to don't give advices to them.
Quite an interesting question. Will you miss the department? If yes, why? The easier way is by saying no. I don't have to explain, but yes, I will miss the department. There have been quite a lot of interesting things around here. I've made great friends. I've had great interactions with a lot of people. I have enjoyed my clinical work quite a lot. So I think that's what I'm going to miss here.
My question here is new skill or habit you discovered after coming to NIMHANS. There's a lot actually, there's a lot. Starting from personal to professional, I've learned many skills that I could list and I would actually take some time to think also. But I'm thankful for the experience. Yeah.
Question is your favorite hangout place in NIMHANS campus. So there are so many hangout. We went for some time. We went for dinner with my colleague, and my favorite one we went for dinner in nearby NIMHANS campus. The first dinner we went.
My question is 3 things or persons you would like to take with you if the given opportunity.
Only boys.
Only things. Okay, I'd like to take things along with me if the opportunity is given. One is this ID card. And the second one is one resident seat for the memory. And the third one is I think I'll get this MPhil degree absolutely bad. I would like to take PhD degree from here.
My question, if there is somebody you want to thank right now, who would be it? So
Your results are pending.
no, I don't know. So it might be my friends. So without them, I like the hostel day more than the department time. So they are very supportive and pillar of my strength.
Their question is best memory from NIMHANS. So from here I started practicing mindfulness. So living here and now. No memories, no past, no future.
Actually, a professional singer will sing with all his professional quality. Here I am singing, that is why I needed a music to cover up my... Okay, at least
Address the gap.
if not there, the music will cherish you. That is the reason I asked them to put the karaoke at the last moment. Okay, thank you. கலைமானே கன்னிமயிலேன கண்டேன் உனை நானே கண்ணே கலைமானே கன்னிமயிலேன கண்டேன் உனை நானே அந்திப்பகல் உனை நான் பார்க்கிறேன் ஆண்டவனை இதைத்தான் கேட்கிறேன் ராரிரோ Corariro, Rariraro, Corariro, Kanne Kalaimare, Kanni Maile, Kande Unai
Raja, tu aja, va raja vale va, new age, knowledge, raja le pole va. Hey Raja, tu aja, va Raja, va re va va, new age.
My question is, what would you miss the most from the Nimmans? In Nimmans, I actually miss so many things, especially my walk. I think I used to put status like morning walk, evening walk, night walk, that I will miss.
So for me, it is the best encouraging words you receive from the institute. So I will always remember the words said by like the faculties that never underestimate yourself. Like you're capable of doing more, and I should acknowledge that.
Hello. Here it's asked fun group trip outside Nimhans. Last year during Christmas, a couple of us, because many of them went home, a couple of us were left here. So we planned a trip just to the Lal Bagh, and that was like going back. Then I realized that it's not who your company, it's also the garden and being back with your friends. We actually played really silly games, and I really liked that day.
For me, it's 3 best things I got from the department. So first one would be my classmates, they are my closest people, and second one would be the faculties, and third one would be the clinical work.
Please share with us any embarrassing moment. There are so many every day. This morning also. No, overall, I think coming late to OPD. Ma'am, actually, it's a tie between coming late to OPD and not submitting IA register on time. It's actually, so that's a recurring.
Okay, so they have asked me the qualities of your best friend, and I have my best friend right next to me here. So I think I had a great influence of him on me. Yeah, so yes. So the thing is, like, we have done PSW rounds together, like as a trainee, because he will speak languages that I can't speak, so I will take him because he has a great source for that. And also, being late, I think he also have helped in that minor aspect. Yeah, but he is my best friend here, and I love him very much. I will miss him.
So my question is, do or die? So what will you choose and why? Yeah, very difficult to answer, but yes, I can take a do. So I can, always my cousin brother says that, life is very short. So smile while when we have a teeth.
Thank you so much, Senior. It was fun hearing you. You can get back to your seat. Thank you so much. I'm so sorry about that.
So it is already after long time, so we gather together to have this happy moment. Thank you for first year scholars. So my question is, your first crush in Nimmans. So I put in this way, like crush in the sense like I love what I love to do, what is I'm passionate about. No. I'm putting in different way. So my first crush itself Nimmans, the name Nimmans, because yes, I'm also a human being. You all know the Maslow theory. So Nimmans, because I started thinking about to get into Nimmans when I was doing BSW back in MISS. So there we started. I want to go to Nimmans. I started asking the Nimmans scholars over here doing MPhil at that time, and I started. Is there any MSW course? Is there any course to do? I don't know anything about Nimmans. So there I started having love towards Nimmans. And when I entered into Nimmans, I have started loving so many professional ladies, crush. So in terms of first, Dr. Pratima Murthy ma'am. So Dr. Pratima Murthy ma'am, the dressing sense, the walking speed, and the speed ma'am they do.
Respected to HOD sir and Timur sir and Kanama.
They reminded it.
Cheating in mentioned their expectation was a reality. Talk about that. my expectation when I'm joining MPhil before when I'm working compared to that one, my expectation is not the clinical work. I'm not expecting more than because I'm expecting just 4:30 over work hour same like project only. After that I will go for rest in my room. I think after that. I'm working, when I'm working that time it will go for 9 o'clock, it will starting only unit 2 posting. They giving JCs also, they giving cases, how many languages you know. I told, languages only they asked, na? I know Kannada, Madam, Telugu and Tamil also, all languages I told. And some of the friends told, seniors, hey, why you telling all languages? They give more cases, it will difficult you also. And after I called to my friends, they already reached the hostel. But 9 o'clock I not reached the hostel. But very difficult that time. After I adjusted.
Favorite tea coffee memory in Nagraj. When I was in first year, so after finishing the rounds, all of us we used to gather in the Nagraja, in front of Nagraja coffee shop. And there we used to have a discussion about the cases which we have seen and drink tea. So it was a nice discussion while drinking tea. We used to discuss with the SRs, JRs, like regarding one patient we used to discuss. Like there only like half rounds used to get over. So we used to deliver all the things what related to the patient. So it was a nice memory for me in front of Nagraja tea shop drinking tea.
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरियां चली चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरियां चली उड़ा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ
चुरा के दिल तेरा चली मैं चली मुझे क्या पता कहाँ मैं चली
मजा पा दा बात कमिंग ओके
who are graduating today. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very successful professional and personal encounters from the minute you step out from this institute. From today onwards, you are no longer students. You all are going to be a professional in this noble field and be our fellow professionals. We from the Department of Psychiatric Social Work have created a comfortable and focused environment for learning since last 2 years now. Now you are all free to step out from this comfort zone to see the world differently. From now on, you will be traveling the road between who you think you are and who you can be. Now you need to be in your driver's seat in your own journey. Take responsibility for your journey. I am sure these 2 years have been really memorable to all. We were on a roller coaster ride of emotion, responsibilities, fear, love, courage, innovation, and so on. Due to recent developments, we were put into a difficult situation, but thanks to our adaptability,
Actually, we prepared beautiful songs, but I don't know what will happen.
We don't have those.
चला उनके जोड़ है जहान नेच में तुम्हारे अब हूँ हवाले अब दूर दूर लोग भाग मीलों दूर ये वादियाँ दुआ दुआ तन्हर बदली चली आती है चुने पर कोई बदली कभी कहीं कर दे तनगीला ये बिना हो किसी मंजिल पर मैं रुका नहीं और खुद से भी मैं मिला नहीं ये मिला तो है मैं कफा नहीं शहर एक से गाँव एक से लोग एक से नाम एक
फिर से उड़ चला मैं
मिट्टी जैसे सपने ये किताबी पलकों से शादों फिर आ जाते हैं इतने सारे सपने क्या कहूँ किस तरह से मैंने थोड़े ही छोड़े हैं क्यों मेरे साथ चले मुझे लेके उड़े ये क्यों कभी दाल दाल कभी पात पात मेरे साथ साथ बिर दर दर ये कभी सहरा कभी सावन बन रावन जीवन मर के कभी डाल डाल कभी पात पात कभी दिन है रात कभी दिन दिन है कभी सच है क्या माया है दाता tuturu 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 tuturu
शामें मरंग सी रातें सुरंग सी बागी उड़ान में ही ना जाने क्यों
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है खाना बदोशियों पे ही जान क्यों इलाही मेरे जी आए आए इलाही मेरे जी आए आए na 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 na
I stretch my hands out to the sky. We dance.
घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है, बस वही सबसे हंसी है। उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
Because for a mother, children are always young. Even though they are old, any mother always thinks that their child, even though he is a grown-up adult, she thinks that he is a child still. So also for all the teachers here, we many a times unknowingly we call them as children. So many of you might think, what is this? This lady still calls us as children. So I, being both wife, a mother, a child and a grandmother too, seeing all the life events, you should not think that it is out of place when I call you as my dear children. Now this coming to this journey of 2 years which has come towards an end.
All of you have come from different places, came together in search of a new profession called psychiatric social work. From different places, from north, south, east, west, wearing different dresses with food, different tradition, you all came together. Actually, this department, you should say that it is a melting pot of different cultures, where you came to know each one was stranger to you. The department was strange to you, the faculty was strange to you, and now you feel so passionate about everything. Nothing is strange. Nimhans is not strange at all for you. You know each and every stone in Nimhans. Okay? So rich and so fertile is the profession that it is unbounded. Creative activities are there. You can take up many things. You can. It is just a land of unexplored land. You should always walk on the land which is less traveled. I don't want a herd mentality in our students. To be a unique person, come away from the streamline. You need not be grouped together with others, but you should be unique. You should be called as a unique psychiatric social work when you are working with other professionals. That is a dream I have about our students. The students have, you should break up a new path. Don't take up the old profession, teaching all the time. Try to explore new social entrepreneurship. have a blog of your own, have an institution of your own. There are many things that you should start. I dream for such a thing among our students with your unbounded enthusiasm, your competencies and your achievements. I wish all the best for the students. I want them to come in flying colors. See, it has become a home. The Department of Psychiatric Social Work has become a home for you for these 2 years. You came from your house and you could not visit your parents and your siblings, especially during COVID times, and it was a very difficult time. So a lot of hand-holding has been done by the faculty members, by the staff over here, so that you should be made comfortable, you should feel at home, you should not miss the home atmosphere. So we try to give as much a good atmosphere for you, but unintentionally, if I have done something wrong, kindly excuse me. I don't have any revenge or bias or selectiveness towards anyone. I know many of the students speak very genuinely, very sincerely. Some of them flatter us just to make us feel good. I have taken all of them in my stride of long teaching experience. So don't think our faculty enjoys all these things. We also share that these are the things which the students say and have a good laugh, but we never take it as a revenge from our students. That's a mentality that the students have, that the faculty have in the Department of Psychiatric Social Work. Now, about this function, we had a very entertaining, a very informative, very cherishing moments we had throughout the afternoon. A lot of good arrangements have been done, and just because there is a long list, almost all of you have been involved. There was a venue arrangement, a program committee, refreshment committee, farewell gift committee, finance management, decorations, public relations, publicity, online arrangement. I know that all of these are necessary to make the function a big success, and all these activities require a coordinator, both from the students as well as from the faculty. I thank Dr. Kanmani, who was all the time working along with the students.
പലവട്ടം പൂക്കാലം വഴി തെറ്റിപ്പോയിട്ടങ്ങൊരു നാളും പൂക്കാമാം കൊമ്പിൽ പ്രിയമുള്ളൊരാളാരോ വരുവാനുണ്ടെന്ന് പൂങ്കുയിലൊന്നു പാടിപ്പറഞ്ഞു, പൂങ്കുയിലൊന്നു പാടിപ്പറഞ്ഞു. നിനയാത്ത നേരത്തൻ പടിവാതിലിൽ ഒരു പദവിന്യാസം കേട്ട പോലെ വരവായാൽ ഒരു നാളും തിരിയാത്ത മധുമാസം ഒരു മാത്ര കൊണ്ടുവന്നല്ലോ, ഒരു മാത്ര കൊണ്ടുവന്നല്ലോ. മനസ്സിന് മറയില്ല, സ്നേഹത്തിനതിരില്ല, ഇനി നമ്മൾ പിരിയില്ല. We are friends. പുസ്തകത്താളുകളിൽ അക്ഷരത്താളുകളെ ഒന്നായി തുറന്നിടും. We are friends. ദുഃഖങ്ങളിൽ കൂടെ നിൽക്കാം, സ്വർഗങ്ങളെ സ്വന്തമാക്കാം. കണ്ണുകളിൽ ഞാൻ കാണുന്നെന്റെ മുഖം. നിൻ വാക്കുകളിൽ ഞാൻ കേൾക്കുന്നെന്റെ സ്വരം. സൗഹൃദങ്ങൾ പങ്കുവെച്ചേ ഹൃദയവാതിൽ നാം തുറന്നേ പതിയെ നമ്മൾ തമ്മിലേതോ പുതിയ ഭാവം കണ്ടറിഞ്ഞേ ഒരു കാണാനൂലിൽ ദൈവം കോർത്തു നമ്മെ എന്നും ഒന്നായി ഒന്നായി ചേർന്നിരിക്കാൻ ദൂരെ ആകാശത്തണലിൽ തനിച്ചിരിക്കാൻ ദുഃഖങ്ങളിൽ കൂടെ നിൽക്കാൻ സ്വർഗങ്ങളെ സ്വന്തമാക്കാൻ നിൻ കണ്ണുകളിൽ ഞാൻ കാണുന്നെന്റെ മുഖം നിൻ വാക്കുകളിൽ ഞാൻ കേൾക്കുന്നെന്റെ സ്വരം സ്നേഹമേ നീ കുടനിവർത്തി പൊൻവസന്തം നീ വിടർത്തി മൗനമായും നെഞ്ചിനുള്ളിൽ ആ സുഗന്ധം നീ പരത്തി